You can see that the site here is managed brilliantly. The fallen trees allowed to degrade naturally, the fallen rocks allowed to form their own natural angle, and just everything allowed to return exactly how it would to nature. It's just brilliant. I really admire that, because as a tourist attraction, there are lots of places where everything's manicured, but it isn't here. This is a tourist attraction where actually you get to experience things firsthand. Here we've got a depression in the ground. We've come up quite a long way, and I suspect this is an old plunge pool, an underground plunge pool, because further up again you can see the base of the cave, or the base of the scale rises, and there almost certainly would have been a waterfall here when the cave system was formed. And I suspect what we've got here is the remains of an underground plunge pool from when there was a river running through here. Takes a little bit of imagination, but I'm fairly sure that's what we've got. I wonder if there's any underground caves that still remain here. Of course, if there are, it'd be very hard to see because of all of the fallen blocks, and of course the trees and the logs and everything else here. But I really wouldn't be surprised if there were still remnants of underground caves here. We're going up even further now. This would have been another waterfall. One of the issues here, and you'll see signs all around the place, is that a lot of the steps and the rocks are quite slippery, and that's because they're limestone that's been polished by the action of water over thousands of years. I've been the Down to Earth Geologist. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.